In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view forms in TurboTax Online. Whether you're checking your entries or preparing to file, it's essential to know how to access these forms efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the TurboTax website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so to proceed. Having your login details handy will save you some time here. With your account open and ready, the next step is to locate the Tools section. This is your gateway to accessing various features and settings within TurboTax. You can find this by looking at the top of your screen. It's usually in the main navigation bar. Click on Tools and this will open up a new menu of options for you. Now that you have the Tools menu in front of you, the next action is to click on View Tax Summary. This option provides a snapshot of your tax situation and is where you'll be able to access the forms you need. Clicking on View Tax Summary will redirect you to a new page that outlines your tax details for the year. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues, double-check that you're on the right page and that your internet connection is stable. Once you're in the Tax Summary section, you'll be able to see a breakdown of your tax information. This is where the magic happens. You'll have access to a variety of forms, and you can click on each one to view the specific details. This is particularly useful if you need to double-check information or if you're curious about certain entries. If you find yourself needing to make any changes, remember that you can go back to the main menu and navigate through the sections of your return to update any information as needed. TurboTax is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore the options available to you. And there you have it. Viewing forms in TurboTax Online is a simple process once you know where to go. With these steps, you should be able to efficiently access your forms and confidently manage your tax information. If you have any questions, TurboTax offers support to guide you through any tricky spots. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your finances online.